Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of my Los Angeles vlog. So we are in the mountains right now and it's 7 in the morning and this is very unusual for me. Like so unusual for me that we had to sit down for 20 minutes because I couldn't handle the hike and we had been going for like 10 minutes. So that shows my level of fitness. So yeah, this is all that I can see right now. It's incredibly foggy. And we were gonna do this to see the sunrise, but there's not really much to look at, but we're still going anyways, because Sam said that we can still see the city. How much longer is there?
Probably like 20 minutes.
Oh boy, hope I don't throw up.
We're live!
Record
We're
that,
live!
Not me.
What did I tell you? Come on, we gotta go.
Okay, I'm coming.
Quick!
Are you recording still?
Yeah. Look at this. Like, just look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at, look to your right.
Oh my god.
What did I tell you? Come on. We're not even at the top yet.
I have never seen anything like this in my entire life before.
Yeah. Take a panorama.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Have you seen any of them?
I was just over there. I need to write something about Ryan.
It's so cool to read what people say.
I want to show them. Hello there, beautiful wisdom tree.
You want to write in this one? You'll get it. Go back up here.
No, that just like...
You want to write something in there?
Yeah. This is what it feels like to be in a cloud. It got so, like, foggy.
Rainbow.
Where? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not a rainbow.
Definitely a rainbow. You don't see it?
No.
Look at it.
The arc?
Yeah. What is that then?
A cloud? I don't know. Light?
That's 100% a rainbow.
Do you see colors?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I swear to God.
Doesn't pick up in the camera. It's not real. And you can kind of see like the arc. It's like right there, but I don't think it's a rainbow. Are you ready to start heading back?
Are you?
Yeah, we've been up here for a really long time. By a wisdom tree. You can like see all the water like blowing like at us right now from the cloud.
Yeah.
I'm starting to get hungry. Guys, I'm not even kidding. We had to stop 3 times because I thought I was gonna throw up. Like, that's how weak I am. People always ask me to do fitness videos and talk about how I stay healthy, blah, 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 blah. And don't be deceived, because I don't work out and I'm not in shape at all. Definitely feeling better now, so hopefully we don't have to stop on the way down. Also, my expectations for this were not very high, and I'm very, very glad that we came. I just didn't really know what to expect. Sam kind of told me a little bit about the wisdom tree. I knew that it was a tree, and I knew that it was in an area that had been like burned down, and the tree was the only thing that, or the only tree that didn't go with the fire. But I was honestly expecting this to be in like some like big open field. I had like Beauty and the Beast vibes from from the very opening song when Bella's like up in that field and she's like singing on her own, spinning, where it's like the Sound of Music. Yeah, that's what I expected.
I don't even know where a field is in LA.
I know, well, I didn't have like, oh man, look at this. Like, what the heck? You
See, there's the rainbow.
That is not a rainbow, it's white.
All right.
And for those of you that like don't know where the wisdom tree is, basically we're by the Hollywood sign. Isn't it right there?
Yeah, right where that metal thing is, that metal tower.
Yeah, that's where the Hollywood sign is. And this is where the wisdom tree is. Right here.
It is quite beautiful.
Yeah, I agree. But I'm not good at nature.
Wow. Go ahead.
Pinch, pinch. I just thought of this scene in Harry Potter when he was like,
I don't know. What?
yep. Got down from the mountain and it's like past like that roadblock there, and then it's like a residential area. Like once you get out of all of that, that house is beautiful. All of the houses in LA for the most part are beautiful, except I don't know if I would ever want to live here. I think that I would rather live here than in New York. Alrighty, so it's been a little while since I vlogged. This morning we hiked up and saw the wisdom tree, and then we came back and just like put on cuter clothes and well, I put on cuter clothes. Sam didn't change. I'm gonna do my makeup, but I didn't because we're gonna end up going to the beach in a little bit. So we are leaving our Airbnb now. Sam ran inside because we were like ready to go. We got in the car and then we realized that I don't have my purse. I left it on the table. And then we don't have the cable in here to plug our phone in for like music and the GPS and stuff. So yeah, we're at our Airbnb. It's in this really cute place. I don't think I ever even like showed you guys, but we can actually see the Hollywood sign up there. And it's just like on this cute little back street. I like that it's not really in the city. So anyways, right now we are headed to the Thirst Project office, which I think I explained a little bit like a few vlogs back, but if you guys didn't watch the first one, or if I just like didn't talk about it as much as I think I did, basically part of the reason why we're in LA is because this is basically like Sam's second home. We've known each other since like freshman year of high school because he's from Pittsburgh, but he did an internship with the Thirst Project for like a year. He took time off of college and he was living here and just like traveling all over the US to do presentations and everything. So while we've been here, he's been like showing me around and I've been meeting his friends, and today we're gonna go to the office for the Thirst Project. Thank you.
Were you talking to yourself? Oh. I was literally like,
could you hear me?
Is she speaking to herself?
Could you hear me?
No, I just saw your mouth move.
Oh. I was
like,
telling them about the Thirst Project. We'll see if this is right. Is that it's a non-profit that raises money to help countries in Africa, and right now they're working a lot with Swaziland, and they just help to like build wells and provide clean water.
Say that one more time, I wasn't listening. Yes, we're a non-profit that focuses on getting clean water to developing countries.
Right now, specifically in Swaziland, but they've helped other countries.
Correct. Swaziland is our main focus right now. We are trying to get the whole country access to clean water by year 2022.
Let's make it happen. Guys, this isn't like me pressuring you or anything, but if you did want to donate money, I will put a link in the description box. It's totally up to you though, like don't feel like you have to. You know what I'm thinking right now?
What?
I think that we need to have another jam sesh like when we were in New York and we had the camera going for like 20 minutes while we were just like singing and listening to fun music.
with this audio lock on this car.
Ah, that's so annoying. So we have a rental car, and first of all, we're surprised that we even got a rental car because we're both 20 years old, and I didn't even think that you could, like, at all unless you were 25, but they just basically added a bunch of charges because we're really young. So we do have the car, like, it's in Sam's name. But anyways, it has all these like safety features on it, and I'm assuming it's just because it's a rental car. But like anytime you start accelerating, I think once you hit like 50 miles per hour, it tells you to like check your speed and drive carefully. And then also with the stereo, the volume like has a lock, and it doesn't let you turn it up higher than like 14. Like, let me see. Yeah, see? It says you've reached your limit and doesn't let you raise the volume any higher than 14, which is very, very annoying. My camera, I know it's going once we move.
Yeah, bitch, I've been blowing up. Bitch, I've been blowing up. Everyone's showing up. Where we spot is like that, I'm like that. I've never been low enough. Never been low. Yeah, I was born at the bottom. That's because I'm giving out.
Even when I'm away, OT, one please. I pray, I pray.
We just ordered our food, and it is amazing. We're about to get clunk.
So we came to the Santa Monica Pier. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me because it's so loud here, but we were scootering around. But they have these like, they're called birds, and they're just electric scooters that you like pay for with your phone, and you can just like ride around. So we did that for like almost 40 minutes. But yeah, so we're just gonna play games and stuff.
Yeah.
That was good.
Atta girl. Atta girl.
Last like 4 have gone in there.
Atta girl.
They missed me. Just take a look at that. I got 1,000 more points than you. Who knew that I had secret arcade game talent? We just came to Universal. We're gonna see a movie here, and oh, that's a pretty wall. The wings. Anyway, so we came to Universal to see a movie, and we walked in, and I was like, Sam, this is gonna sound really stupid, but this looks a lot like Universal in Florida. And he goes, that sounds as stupid as when I said guacamole tastes like avocado. So I guess we both had our stupid moments, but yeah, we're gonna see Red Sparrow, is that what it's called? Yeah. I know nothing about it, but we wanted to see a movie, and he said that this is a nice theater, so we stopped to get some food. It's like 11 o'clock, but Sam really wanted sushi, and I don't know if I've ever said this, but I don't eat any like seafood, so I just got a bowl of like chicken teriyaki, and then Sam is still waiting for his. Is it worth the wait?